Well, hello guys. Today I'll show you how to enable the official or the original dark mode on WhatsApp web. Thank you for the WA beta info or WhatsApp beta info for sharing the information. Okay, to enable the original dark theme on WhatsApp web, we don't need to use add-ons or third-party anymore. There is some trick to enable the original dark mode. We need to edit some HTML code to activate it, but for now there's no enable button like this. Okay, let's just start it. The step. Okay, first of course open WhatsApp web. Wait a second, I need to log in. Okay, and then go to DevTools or inspect element, right click, go to inspect, or just hit Ctrl Shift E. Hold on. Okay, in the element tab, there's HTML code here, and go to the body tag. There's a class named web. Double click on it, backspace, just type web dark and hit enter. Voila, we got the dark mode. Just close the DevTools. Let's explore it. Okay, we got the default icon, default profile picture icon. It's dark too. The emoji, sticker, group info. Yeah, it's pretty good. Go to status. In the status section, there's no change. I mean, this is like the original one. It's dark, like the default. It's cool actually. Try to setting. Wow, cool. dark. Is the wallpaper make different to the dark mode? I don't think so. Okay, but one thing, this dark mode is temporary, of course, because we added it on inspect element in DevTools. If we reload it, refresh the page, it's turned out into light mode again. The loading pack is like, okay, it's temporary, so we need to do the trick again if we refresh the page. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you. See ya.